Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an affordable, no-fuss solution for your Roku TV remote needs. If your original remote has gone missing, stopped working, or if you just want an extra one for the bedroom, this might be the perfect option. We're talking about the CrsaSwivo 2-pack replacement remote controls, made specifically for Roku TVs. Let's test them out and see if they really deliver what they promise. Inside the package, you'll find two identical remotes, no batteries included, so make sure you have a pair of AAA batteries on hand for each. Right out of the box, the remotes feel lightweight and minimal. You'll notice the essential Roku-style layout, including navigation buttons, playback controls, and 4 preset app shortcut buttons. It's not flashy, but it's clearly built for utility. Now, an important distinction: these remotes are only for Roku TVs. That includes models from TCL, Hisense, Sharp, ONN, Philips, Insignia, Element, Westinghouse, RCA, JVC, Hitachi, and Sanyo, but not for Roku streaming sticks, boxes, or players. If you're using a Roku Express, Premier, or Ultra, this isn't for you. One of the standout features here is the zero setup design. All you have to do is pop in the batteries and point the remote at your TV. No programming, syncing, or pairing required. We tested it on a TCL Roku TV and sure enough, it worked instantly. Menu navigation was smooth, volume control responded quickly, and app shortcuts loaded as expected. Since it uses infrared technology, make sure there's a clear line of sight to your TV's IR sensor. No Bluetooth or Wi-Fi features here, but that also means there's less that can go wrong. It's a plug-and-play experience in the best way. Using these remotes feels exactly like using an original Roku TV remote. The buttons have a decent tactile response, not too stiff or mushy. The infrared signal is strong and stable, even from about 20 feet away. There's minimal lag when flipping through channels or navigating menus, and we didn't experience any connectivity dropouts during our test. The build quality isn't premium, it's plastic through and through, but it doesn't feel cheap either. These are made to be functional, not fancy, and they do their job well. For basic users who want a hassle-free replacement, that's really all that matters. So who is this 2-pack of CrsaSwivo remotes for? If you have a Roku TV and you want a quick, budget-friendly replacement or backup, this is a fantastic option. No setup headaches, wide compatibility with major TV brands, and solid performance for everyday use. At this price point, getting two remotes for less than the cost of one original brand name remote is a great deal. That said, if you're looking for voice control, backlighting, or Bluetooth capabilities, these won't deliver. But if you just want to turn on the TV, launch apps, and adjust volume without jumping through hoops, this gets the job done. Plus, there's a 60-day unlimited return and refund window, which gives you peace of mind if anything doesn't work out. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world tech reviews. And let us know in the comments if there's another budget-friendly accessory you want us to check out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.